Hello everyone and welcome. As many of you know, tomorrow, March 21st, is the new moon in Aries. I will be showing you a 4-card tarot spread that I have created for this new moon. And of course, today is the first day of spring, and I hope everyone listening feels the power of regeneration. And of course, springtime is an ideal time to take a new look at life. But in Aries, we have the benefit of seeking freedom to act and to express ourselves also in a new way as we harness that creative drive of that zodiac sign, Aries. But I also want everyone to remember that the moon in Aries is in contrast to the sun in Aries. So what does that all mean? Well, the watery influence of the moon kind of clouds the brilliance of the sun. And I am looking at it as this new moon in Aries as an opportunity to really go within and maybe see what needs to be changed now so we can go forward with newfound freedom, with a feeling of, okay, I've taken care of that. I've looked at it, I've healed it, whatever that may be, and having the momentum to go on with our new initiatives that we would like to undertake with that new moon in Aries happening tomorrow. Yes, Aries is a sign of initiation, and it gives us courage to look at what needs to be maybe addressed on an emotional level. Now, I say that a little bit more directly for another reason, friends, and that is because we also had on March 7th, we had Saturn enter the sign of Pisces. That is the 12th house of the subconscious. And a lot of us have been feeling a little bit more pressure, semi anxious. I don't want to get into labeling anything, but things have been brought up for us to deal with. Everything is happening for a reason, and that was another reason why I decided to create this spread. So it's kind of twofold. What do we need to look at? What do we need to clear away? And how can we go forward unencumbered by those areas within us that when all the signs are showing us we need to address. So I'm going to begin with the card down here, the first card. Where do I need to begin or start over? Immediately we're going to address that. And then we're going to take out another card and ask, why is this important now? Our third card are going to see about those emotions. What emotion will work against me? And then the last card is, how can I best apply myself? Aries is all about the self, initiation, the pioneer, the courage. And that's why I ended it with that positive question. Okay, I am using the Morgan Greer. I love the colors. They're vibrant. They're emotional to me. So I'm going to go ahead and get centered, ask for the truth to be revealed. And let's see what the cards have to say for us. Ooh, there you're flying. That's much better. Let's go ahead and cut them 3 times, restack them. Let's see what comes out. Okay, where do I need to begin or start over? and that is the Six of Cups. And that is certainly a beautiful card of sharing, but it also is going back to the past. Remember, the Six of Cups reunites old friendships. So to me, this card is saying maybe we need to contact someone to reconnect with an old friend, a family member possibly, but it's asking us to look at the past in a loving way, in a way of saying, hi, I just called to see how you are doing, whatever that may be for you. But it's a beautiful card of harmony, especially with the six. Why is this important now? So let's get a little bit more information. The King of Pentacles. Maybe we have a family member that has been waiting for us possibly to extend a hand. The King of Pentacles probably is an older person, someone who is established, someone who has authority. I'm also guided to say that we may want to contact someone from the past because there are possibly some legal things that need to be talked about, discussed, that are still left undone concerning someone. So this could be the reason why the King of Pentacles, having to do with form, having to do with something that is money or security, tangible, could be property. So that's fascinating. The third card, what emotion will work against me? Ooh, and we have the Tower. And it's going to tell me that what will work against me is my mindset that has been closed, that is false, that is an error that I need to correct, that is self-destructive. So we need to look at our belief system. What has caused us from not maybe extending a hand to the past? What has limited me? What are my beliefs? Maybe what are my assumptions? So the Tower card says that the emotion, whatever it is, fear, anger, resentment, works against us during this new moon in Aries. How can I best apply myself? And that is Justice card. Oh, to be fair, to look at both sides of issues, to let go of preconceived ideas of what my ego self considers right or wrong or just. And let's use the beautiful harmonic energy of card number 6, where you see an exchange between a male and a female. Now we can look at that archetypal as something within us that is blocking us from seeing a logical side or an emotional side. And Justice is saying for us to neutralize that stance, whether that's gender, whether that's a belief, whatever that is, Justice is saying to neutralize that. Now let's go ahead and very quickly now blend the cards. So we began with harmony, love, reconnecting, going back, sharing, finding harmonious memories and applying them towards possibly something that's not yet completed, that is concerning someone who may be elderly, may need us to check in with and ask us what we desire or what we may think is fair. And letting go of whatever happened in the past that could have caused some separation or diversion or stopped us from these beautiful other three cards of a harmonious conclusion, reconciliation that can take place during this time. All right, everyone, we're going to leave it there. Thank you all for joining me today. Everyone, I hope you have a wonderful new spring and a beautiful start to this new moon in Aries season. Bye-bye for now.